Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how to tie the, or just demonstrate the wee fly for you, the Cohn spring Willie Gunn. Now the hook in the vise is a partridge patriot double in size 8. Size 8, sorry, and the thread that I'm going to use is unique thread 801 white. Just to begin with, this is just to keep the body bright and the wee butt that we're going to put on at the back. Now the tag in the rib is a red wire, and this is a UTC red wire that I'm using. Just catch that and just work it down until you're sort of in line with the points of the hook, somewhere around there. Then I'm going to take 5 turns of the wire to create our tag. We'll catch this in underneath. Then we can bend and break away the wire. Now the tail is a mix of yellow and fluorescent orange bucktail. So just taking a measurement tape. Now if you don't have fluorescent orange bucktail, just straight through orange will do. This is just to lift the colour of it a bit. That's why I'm using the fluorescent orange. Now I've put my tail on there. We're in about 2 lengths. The shank of the, 2 lengths, the hook length, if you like. Then the tail, under the tail, sorry I should say, is 2 strands of orange microflash. Trim that away. Now there's a wee butt at the back here. I'm just going to use the Glow Bright floss number 4. So just pull a length out of the bobbin holder. Just double it up. Trim away the loop. Just to square everything up and just put it into the length that you want your butt to be, and then just going to work this forward to meet the thread. Follow this round, a couple of turns forward to secure it in, and then come in and trim that around about the length of the body or so. Then I'll just work my thread forward, catching everything in. The way back down we'll catch in our rib again. Just another length of the red wire. There's just a wee fibre there. Take that away. Just not for this in underneath this time. And then work our thread down. Just tied up against the butt. Now we're not looking too bad. The body itself is an Opal Mirage tinsel in large. Opal Mirage is a UTC product. Then we'll just work that forward, our thread, catching everything in. Now you just make sure you leave yourself, if you're going to tie the wee fly, plenty of room at the front to allow for your wing and hackle. That point there, catch that in, come in, trim away the waist, bring up our rib. You're looking 3 to 4 turns of the wire up the body to protect the malar. A couple of turns will catch that in, and we'll be able to break away the wire. Now the head's black, so I'm just switching over to all unique thread 801 black. Suppose you could continue with the white thread if you wish, and then just colour it up with a marker. Now, first hackle is a yellow cock hackle. Just offer that up to the hook, come in with a couple of turns, fold the tip back, catch that in, come in and break away the tip. Just come in with my scissors. That just helps you to get the fibres to sit back for you. Now, 2 turns of this is going to be enough because the wings to go on next. So it's going to go plenty there. Fly that around with your thread. 3 or 4 nice tight turns. Be able to break away the stem. Don't feel comfortable breaking away the stem, guys, just trim it away. Then the wing itself, some black fox. Take a couple of these wee guard hairs out. Now the length of this is the wing. It's much like the tail. It's up to you. I sort of way just tie it in, just anywhere between half a length and just slightly past half a length of the tail is usually grand. Just come in with a pinch and loop. A couple of nice tight turns. Now the wing will sit up. That's because of you've put the hackle on first. But we'll just tighten up over the cut ends. That colour flash. Same flash as the tail. The orange micro flash. Trim that away. Now to get it to sit lower, and just come in and crease the wing. But once this has had a swim, the wing will sit nice and low, like that. Front hackle, a nice orange cock hackle. Now this fly's nice tied with a flame orange front cock hackle, or hen for that matter. So just catch that in and break away the tip. Two turns of the orange. Just going to cut this way. Anything that wants to go forward, just come in and hold it back. And tidy up. And we're not looking too bad. Then just to finish off, we're looking 2 jungle cock eyes. So don't have jungle cock eyes, just like always, you can just leave it out. Just offer these up to the hook. Just come around with a couple of loose turns. Just want to check the length here. It's always worthwhile just having a wee check. Right, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to come in and hold the eyes. Take another turn down towards the eye of the hook. fold back the stems of the jungle cock, and then just tighten up. Just build up your head here at the same time. Just break away the stems of the jungle cock, and then we'll just come in and throw in a whip finish. Right. A few wee fibres there. Just want to come forward on me. Trim away our tang thread. Then we'll get a wee look at our work. Have a wee check. Yep, all looks good. So first coat onto the head. We drop a super glue. Now, don't want to touch your dressing here. Just ruin all your hard work. And I'll hit that with a couple of coats of varnish. So there you go, guys. That's the Cohn's spring Willie gun. But to me, that wee fly will work all year round. Just going to take a wee break now, get a cup of tea, wee cup of Rosie Lee. I've been tanned for 10 hours straight nearly, and my eyes are cut off me. So hopefully you've got something from that. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first video time watching one of my videos, that is, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, guys, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.